name Regulator says it all. Regulate your sweat and heat with the men's R1 vest. This technical fleece is a breathable core warmer that's ideal for stop-start activities in cool conditions. Stretchy Polartec Power Grid fabric regulates your body temperature by trapping warmth, wicking moisture, and venting heat. Capilene thermal weight base layer panels across the back and sides boost breathability and reduce the dreaded sweaty back when approaching with a pack. They also improve packability, making this an easy, just-in-case layer to bring along. Low-profile shoulder seams offer chafe-free comfort under a pack. The center front zipper has a soft zipper garage at the chin for next-to-skin comfort. The zippered chest pocket is perfect for lip balm or a snack and features an air-permeable mesh pocket bag to maintain breathability. The slim fit and low-bulk hem make for easy layering under other jackets or shells. Our Regulator fleece layers are classics among mountain communities for a reason, and the men's R1 vest is a versatile addition to your kit. It's a technical all-arounder that provides packable, breathable warmth and exceptional mobility for any cool weather activity.